everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to fix this corn on the cob in the Instant Pot. We are going to steam this corn. The first thing we need to do is to remove the husk and to get all of the silks off of the corn. I want you to notice that I've got the inner pot from the Instant Pot removed. This is the appliance itself, and you can see that that inner pot has been taken out. So, you just lift it right out of your Instant Pot. It's no big deal. I generally do this when I'm fixing something by the sink that needs some wash and prep. It's a lot easier. The piece I'm showing you now is a little rack that comes with your Instant Pot. And what you do is set that in the inner pot, and it will raise up whatever it is you're going to steam. Now I'm cleaning the corn. I'm using a vegetable brush under the water to make sure that all those little silks are removed from in between the kernels before we cook our corn today. So that looks really good. I'm going to put it in. I'm adding the water right as the pot sits near the sink. I'll put about a ½ an inch of water on the bottom of the pot. I want you to pay attention to the fill line in your Instant Pot. You don't want to pile your veg above that line. And here I'm just putting the inner pot back into the appliance. And through the magic of video editing, my corn is all ready. You can see how beautiful the color is. It's perfectly steamed, and it was so easy. So the next time you want to steam some corn on the cob, try doing it in your Instant Pot. Okay, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.